In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give viewer permission in Google Drive. First, sign in to Google Drive using your web browser. You'll land on your drive where all your files and folders are stored. Find the file or folder you want to share. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even an entire folder, whatever you want others to be able to view without editing. Once you've located it, right-click on the item. In the menu that appears, select Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who has access and what they can do. In the sharing window, look for the section labeled General Access. By default, many files are set to restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can open them. To make the file accessible by link, click the drop-down in General Access and change it to anyone with the link. This setting makes the file viewable to anyone who has the link, even if they're not signed into a Google account, which is useful for sharing with a broad audience or with people outside your organization. Next, set the permission level. Right beside the General Access dropdown, you'll see another dropdown that controls what people can do with the file. Click that dropdown and choose Viewer. Viewer permission means people can open and read the file, but they can't edit it or leave comments. It's the safest choice when you just want to share information without risking changes. With the access set to anyone with the link and the permission set to Viewer, you're ready to share. Click Copy Link in the sharing window. This copies the special link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. An email, a chat message, a calendar invite, or a website. Before you close the window, take a moment to confirm the settings. General Access shows anyone with the link, and the permission beside it shows Viewer. This quick check helps prevent accidental edits or unwanted access. If you're working in a school or company account, note that administrators might limit link sharing. If you don't see the Anyone with the Link option, you may need to share directly with specific people instead. Now paste the link and send it to your audience. Anyone who opens that link will be able to view the file. And because you set the permission to Viewer, your original content stays protected. That's it. Sign in, right-click to share, switch General Access to anyone with the link, set the permission to Viewer, copy the link, and share it.